Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use real Debrid with Stremio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Stremio app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open any type of preferred browser and search for toronto.stream.fun. Here, select the preferred providers and click on the Install button. After that, open a new tab and search for Real Debrid. Now open the official website and sign in to your account. After signing in, scroll down a little bit and choose one of the available plans. Once selected, click on the subscribe button, accept terms and conditions, and then pay using the preferred method. That's how you can use Real Debrid with Stremio. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.